Hi everybody, this is Mary for Stampin' Camp with Mary and Simple Stamping. Today I want to show you a sympathy card that I did. My uncle died and I wanted to send my aunt a card. Let's bring this down a little bit. So this is a simple stamping card. It'll go in the mail tomorrow. What we are using is Lasting Lily. We are using the Bermuda Bay, Any Apple Green, and Poppy Parade inks. We are using one of the Whisper White note cards and envelopes. And I am using the Stamparatus because this is a two-step stamping, so you want to bring it up just a little bit. It's a lot easier, especially for new stampers, to use the Stamparatus. Okay, I'm going to bring this up so you can see what I'm doing. Oh, forgot to get the... Now this one, I've noticed I needed two because those stamps are fairly new. So I needed both magnets. Usually you only need one. Okay. So what I'm going to do is I am going to put down, I'm going to stamp over here. This is where the center is. So I'm going to put down a magnet up here to hold it and a magnet down here to hold it, okay? Now I am going to get out the stamps. I am going to use this lily. Now I know a lot of people have problems with the distinctive stamps, and the lily is one of them. If you are, I am using, and I'm going to put it over more towards the middle instead of the center of the card front. If you are using the new stamp pads, the foam pads, they're a little juicy at times, and you should use your brayer to ink up this stamp. But since I'm using the stamping spots, I really don't need to, because they're more linen, and I can just lightly do this, because you don't want a lot, you just want it lightly done. And I'm going to press that down. And need just a little more. Isn't it great, you know? I'm using the Stamparatus so I can ink it up as many times as I want. There we go. And now I'm going to get out the big stem, the big long stem. You could put this on if you wanted to, but I want to put the saying over on the side, so I really don't want to put another. I'm just going to ink this up. You can see the little cup on the, and I'm going to pick this up. And I'm going to use my Granny Apple Green. Lay that down. And then I'm going to turn this over. For moments when words fail us. For moments we can't put into words. And I'm just going to pick that one up. I'm going to use my Bermuda Bay. Ink that up. There you go. Simple stamping. So for Mary's Stampin' Camp with Mary and Mary's Stamping Happenings, Thanks for visiting and happy stamping. Bye-bye.